Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your August love and work forecast for Capricorns. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Winds Tarot. Join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicwindstarot.com. Also, friends, this is a general reading, may resonate or may not, and although this is for August, you can watch it anytime, friends. It will still resonate with your situation. And I have already done the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings. Link is in the timestamps, or you can visit our Hindi Urdu channel, Magic Winds Tarot Hindi Urdu. So let's see what is the theme, Capricorns, for the month. Wow. For August, 8 of Cups, so you are definitely letting go of the troubles, letting go of the past, letting go of anything that was holding you back. You are ready to move on. Capricorns, you are looking for a new start in your life. Let's see what else. Theme of the month for Capricorns, Two of Wands. Theme of the month for Capricorns. And look at that. Yes, you are ready to open your heart. You are ready to take charge of your life, Capricorns. You are ready to listen to your heart. Live a life, live a life king size. Because I think earlier, Capricorns are very, very logical. Although they are very balanced, they are also open-hearted. But something was holding you back from opening your heart, living the life that you really, really wanted to live. So this month, you can enjoy life to its maximum, and you can relax, and you can, let your hair down, enjoy life, have some fun. Also, this month will bring you a lot of emotional happiness, emotional satisfaction, like a job well done. So some of you could be clearing your exams with flying colors. Also, some of you could also be getting good news in your work and career, like admiration. Whatever you are looking for, you will achieve it. So this is definitely the month of opening your heart and saying, and the Two of Wands. So yes, you are, even though you are opening your heart this month, Capricorns, you're still very mature, you're still very practical about things. So this is a very finely balanced month for you. But yes, you might you might end something that was frustrating you. It could be a bad habit, it could be a relationship that you wanted to quit. You are definitely moving on. You are saying bye bye to stressful things. You are saying bye bye to things you no longer love. Everything that you love, you are saying yes, yes, yes. And it will make your August a wonderful, wonderful month, friends. Yes, so you're very mature. You are very so even if you take any emotional risk, Capricorns, which is quite which may feel like a new thing for you, but you can rely on your emotions, because you are very, very balanced. You are connected with your intuition, so all your emotional risk also will pay off. So you can enjoy life this time. You can let your hair down, relax, enjoy, and have some fun, Capricorns. So you have good energies. Let's see how your love life will be, Capricorns, in the month of August. Nine of Wands, Nine of Swords, nine. So you are definitely having some anxiety with love. So that's why the Eight of Cups is there. Three of Cups, Ten of Swords. Oh God, Queen of Swords. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Eight of Wands, Justice. Oh my God, Five of Wands, High Priestess. Oh my God. Big energies in your love lives. No wonder you are very much all about love, love, love. This energy completely justified by these cards here. So friends, all right, I don't know where to begin actually. The High Priestess, the King of Wands, the Death, and the Ten of Wands. Oops. So firstly, when you start the month of August, you are feeling a bit resistant towards love. You are feeling like, nah, love is not my thing. You may be also feeling very nervous about a relationship. If you are already in a relationship, if you are married, your partner is not open to your love, or you are feeling a little defensive towards love. Also, if you are single, friends, you are not ready for love. You are having a lot of nervousness, a lot of anxiety regarding love, relationships. Definitely, you're not ready for love in the first week of August, but you are in fact resistive towards love. But it is because your focus is more on money. Your focus is also on a stable start, rather, is stability and commitment, so you don't want anything frivolous. No. If in fact you will question everything in your first week. Is this person honest? Is this marriage strong enough? So you are questioning the stability, the security, because that's your focus on, that's what you're focusing on in the first week. But also your focus is on your money, your coins, so you may not be sleeping well and focusing more on your work and career, Capricorns. Let's see the second week. Second week, an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you. Also, some online connections, long distance connections are also important for you. You may, if you are single, you may find somebody online through common friends. You may get along very well with that person. Others of you, I feel like, somebody, I don't know how to say, someone has put you in third party and you may come to know about it, or someone wants to return back to you, friends. In the second week, they will try to message you, they will try to be your friends, but you have ended, this person ended things very brutally, or things have ended between you and them, or things are not going well between you and them. But still, I do feel your person, your ex-lover, twin flame, whoever this person is, long distance, no contact person, they will try to message you, try to be friendly with you, try to win you. Also, if you are not in, if they don't directly message you, Capricorns, they will try to get information through your common friends, through social media. But I feel like you're not really open to their love. I don't know why. It feels like you are thinking like, this person has put me in third party, there are trust issues here, the ending was really bad with this person, so you are a little hesitant about them. Another thing, in the third week, yes, communications will open between you and your person. So communications will open, and finally justice or balance will come in this relationship. So woohoo, congratulations. Also, for some of you, August is the month when you will finally make a grand decision, a big decision on your love life. Like whether you want to marry somebody, whether you want to leave them, whether you want to marry, go for an arranged marriage, or some move in or settle down with somebody. Yes, big decisions, big plannings will be made in the third week of August. I also feel if you are going through legal issues or custody issues, yes, those will be resolved in the third week of August. Also, you can expect a little bit of friction in the third week, friends, because you are thinking very emotionally, but your person is like, no, I have to be practical, I have to be like, I have to honor my work, my family, my religion, culture. Difference of opinions, difference of priorities can happen in the third week. It can lead to arguments, but I feel you will be able to overcome them, and big decisions you may take in the third week, like settling settling down with somebody, leaving them, moving in with somebody, big decisions. Also, someone who was in a third party, they may tell you that they are now free to come towards you. The fourth week, my god, the fourth week is full of transformations. Big changes are coming in your love life, the way you think and perceive love, the way your partner thinks and feel. There are big changes. You may also feel more passionate towards love. You will also feel a lot of physical attraction towards your person. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Some of you may actually attract a new partner in the fourth week, and you may leave your current partner in the third week. So that energy is also there. There are two partners for you. Yes, 10 of Wands. Yes, I do feel that if you are really married, then your relationship could be a little stressed out in the fourth week, but things will get better if you listen to your intuition, Capricorns. Listening to your intuition, listening to your heart is the key to your love life this month. Also, your twin flame and your soulmate, things are changing. They are trying to change themselves. But if they still let you down, I see you might move out or move ahead from them. But for others, this person has some potential to get better. In that situation, there is a chance you guys will get along well together, So wait till August to make some big changes. Let's see the advice for you, Capricorns. I don't know, you are not... you have some hesitancy in speaking. Even I am speaking like that. Usually I'm very, very fluent, but I'm also feeling that right now. Advice for Capricorns for their love life. Positive movement forward. Rejoice. 3 of Cups. Yes, things are moving forward in your love life, so don't worry. You are ready for a new romance, you are ready for a reunion. Also, you are ready for somebody better if that's what you want. And friendship is very important for you. And because it's a friendship day, we start the month of August with Friendship Day. So, happy Friendship Day! But friendships are very very important for you. Some of you are in third party. You can expect a resolution in that area. Patience and planning. Yes, I told you the mid of the month is very important. So you will still need to be patient, and also try to be practical. Rather try to think what you really want, because the chances of achieving it are very high in August, friends. Big changes can happen in your love life. So plan and stay patient. And look at that, spiritual union. So, yes, you are definitely going to achieve a spiritual union, and definitely a deep, loving soulmate connection is coming, or a reunion is going to happen between you and your person. So, let's see your work and career now, Capricorns. Oops. Oh, emotional loss. Yeah, some of you could actually be thinking of changing, or you know, letting go of your current job, or you are out of work, or you're not happy at your work. So this is your current energy. You are not feeling very happy at your work. Four of Wands, the waiting game in reverse. So you are done waiting, friends. You are done waiting for a new job. You are done waiting for your circumstances to get better. So this month, you are going to take charge of your work and career. You are going to start where you are. You are going to build a mountain out of nothing. So get to work. It is a busy month for you. I know you are a little fed up or frustrated with your work or career situation, but rest assured your hard work will pay off, friends. There, I think this reverse card means that your waiting is almost over. You can start working in the month of August, and what you need is coming for you. Also, if you're worried about some exams, your results will be great. See, money. This is a confirmation, material harvest. Money is coming your way, friends. The table will be laid out to you, and all these goodies, this bounty will be given to you. It is, yeah, some of you will actually be leaving your jobs, changing, switching jobs, switching careers, going to something you really love, starting something you really enjoy. Some of you may relocate, go back to your homes, villages. Some of you are even your work could also be affected by some personal losses, like you lost a friend or something like that, a family member in the past, and you are still like, oh, why this happened. So somewhere a little bit of, or you lost a very good colleague or a boss, so you're a little emotional about that. Maybe this happened in the earlier years, in the past, but you are still worried about that. But money is coming your way, friends. Yes, money is coming your way. And look at that, the sacral chakra. So creativity will be very high. Listen to your creativity, work on it. Also, starting anything new of your own will be very good for you. And any independent work where you have a lot of freedom or very creative outlet will be good for you. Even if your work is very technological, you can still do something creative as a hobby, so that will keep you balanced, friends. So this is a good month for you, friends. Really, money is coming your way. Your hard work will be repaid, and whatever you are waiting for, friends, it is coming your way in the month of August. And I feel November is also important month for you. Let's see some advice for you, Capricorns. Oh, take charge and take action. See, that is what exactly I was telling you. It is time to take charge and take action. It is not the time to wait and cry. No. Yes, if you ask some question, the answer is no. If you were planning to give up on your dreams, no, this is not the time. It is time to take charge of your life. Yes, heal yourself, love yourself, be there for yourself, friends. Inner child healing. Also, you're very protected by the universe, friends. So the universe is taking care of your dreams, your passions, your goals, your wishes. So don't worry. Let us see what else is the message. Oh wow, August itself has come out. See, Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. I felt November is important, and look at that. The November card is here. So, yes, November is important for you. That's a double confirmation. August, yes, this is the August reading. August is important month for you, Tiger. Doing something risky, taking a chance. Tortoise, slowly but surely you are getting ahead. Money path, a path with money is opening for you. Moon, changes in your life. Yes, some changes are going to take place. Kangaroo, unsettled times, you need to plan ahead. Yes, I think the need to plan is like, a lot of things can happen for you. It is up to you what you really wish to happen. June, yeah, June is also important. Keep your life in balance. Yes. Peacock, be aware of great pride. Great passion. Yes, you have a spiritual union coming your way. Remember this card, the spiritual union. So yes, that's coming your way. And target, a goal-oriented person. So you are very, very focused. You know what you want, but at the same time, you have the time to enjoy life and to focus on things you really, really love. So happy August, Capricorn. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta to buy a reading. Visit our website. Bye-bye.